So load factor, it is the ratio of two quantity. Which are the two quantity? First is nothing but the average load to the maximum demand. First is nothing but the average load, and second quantity is nothing but the maximum demand. But what we have to keep in mind? During a given period, okay, during a given period, त्या दिलेल्या पिरियड मध्ये, in the given period, what is the ratio of average load to the maximum demand? That you can say it is nothing but the load factor. It is nothing but the load factor. Everybody got this one definition? It is the ratio of average load to the maximum demand, but when? During the given period of time. If suppose one of the time interval is given to you, and in that particular time interval there is a average load is there and there is a maximum demand is also there, that you can say that this is the load factor. See, my average load is of what? 10 megawatt, and my maximum demand is of what? 20 megawatt. For how many duration? If they have given for 4 hours, they have given for 4 hours. So how I can find the load factor? That is nothing but the 10 divided by 20. So this cancel, and 2 divided by 1, it is nothing but the 0.5. Okay, so the load factor is the ratio of average load to the maximum demand, but during a given period of time. एका पर्टिक्युलर ठराविक जर टाइम पिरियड दिलेला असेल, त्या टाइम पिरियड मध्ये ऍव्हरेज लोड आणि मॅक्झिमम डिमांडचा जो काही रेशो असणार आहे त्याला तुम्ही काय म्हणणार आहे? यू कॅन कॉल इट इज नथिंग बट दी लोड फॅक्टर. बट सी हियर, how to find the average load? I have given here the formula for finding the average load. What is the formula for finding the average load? That area under the daily load curve divided by 24 hours. How to find the average load? Area under the daily load curve divided by 24. आता actually ज्यावेळेस whenever we are actually facing the solving the numericals, at that time this particular load factor, whenever we are going to solve, average load is also given to you, maximum demand is also given to you, you are directly find out the load factor there. Okay, but there is another important formula, so I am requesting you to write down that formula in your notebook. Okay, because many of the time directly it is not possible for us to solve the numerical using this load factor formula. Which load factor formula? Average load to the maximum load. There is another important formula that you can also write down in your notebook, that is nothing but the load factor. What is that? Load factor is equal to that formula you can write down, which is very, very important. Okay, units generated in given time, units generated in a given time divided by maximum demand divided by maximum demand into number of hours in given time, number of hours in given time. Okay, So what is the formula? What is the load factor? Or another formula for finding out the load factor is that how to find out load factor, which is the ratio of number of units, how many units generated in a given time. Okay, तर suppose तुम्हाला time दिलेला असेल 4 hours. Okay, in that 4 hours how many units generated by that particular power plant or by that particular station divided by what is the maximum demand on that particular station to the number of hours in a given time. म्हणजे इथे किती दिलेत नंबर ऑफ आवर्स, हाऊ मेनी नंबर ऑफ आवर्स दिए 4 hours. Okay, so what is the formula for finding, or another formula that we will require whenever we are going to solve the example is that load factor, it is the ratio of units generated in a given time divided by maximum demand into number of hours in a given time. म्हणजे इथं जर तुम्हाला 6 hours दिले असतील तर इथं जो टाइम घ्यायचा आहे गिवन टाइम इथं तुम्हाला किती घ्यायचा आहे 6 hours कन्सिडर करायचा आहे, वेअर वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट नंबर ऑफ युनिट्स जनरेटेड. आणि इथं पण खाली घेताना किती घ्यायचंय 6 hours. एव्हरीबडी यू हॅव रिटन दिस फॉर्म्युला इन युअर नोटबुक. सगळ्यांनी हा फॉर्म्युला त्यांच्या नोटबुक मध्ये लिहून घेतलेला आहे का? Everybody written down this formula in your notebook. Just someone reply whether you have written this formula in your notebook. Load factor is equal to units generated in a given time divided by maximum demand into number of hours in a given time. लिहिलं का सगळ्यांनी? Everybody?
Yes.
Okay, but what you have to just keep in your mind is that basic definition of load factor is that it is the ratio of average load to the maximum load. Okay, load factor is ratio of average load to the maximum load. This is the basic definition, but another formula we will require for solving out the example is that load factor is nothing but the number of units generated in a given time divided by maximum demand into number of hours in a given time. Okay, आपण ह्याच्यावरचे न्यूमरिकल्स नंतर सॉल्व करणारच आहोत. यू डोंट वरी अबाउट दॅट, बट यू हॅव टू जस्ट कीप दिस फॉर्म्युला इन युअर माइंड. दॅट इज नथिंग बट दी लोड फॅक्टर. ओके, नाउ next formula which is also very important. See, plant capacity factor. What is that formula? Plant capacity factor. So what is the plant capacity factor? Baga, just a minute, I will shift it. Now see here, it is the ratio of actual energy produced to the maximum possible energy that could have been produced during given period. Very simple, very simple. See, understand the meaning of each and every point. What is the plant capacity factor? It is the ratio of 2 points. Which point? In a particular station in the given period of time, it is the ratio of actual energy produced. If suppose I will consider any power station and I will take the time as the 5 hours. Okay, so in that particular 5 hours, actual energy produced divided by maximum possible energy that could have been produced. म्हणजे suppose if I have considered that 5 hours I have considered, मला असं वाटत होतं की ह्या 5 तासामध्ये 20 मेगावॅट एवढी एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस व्हायला पाहिजे होती, पण ऍक्च्युअली झाली किती? इट इज ऑफ व्हॉट 18 मेगावॅट. मीन्स व्हॉट I can say that this 18 megawatt is nothing but the actual energy produced, and this 20 megawatt is nothing but the maximum energy, maximum possible energy that could have been produced. म्हणजे मला असं वाटत होतं की मॅक्झिमम एनर्जी 20 मेगावॅट प्रोड्यूस व्हावी, पण प्रोड्यूस होताना किती झाली? दिस इज ऑफ व्हॉट 18 मेगावॅट. ह्या दोघांचा जो रेशो आहे त्या रेशोला मी काय म्हणणार आहे, वी कॅन से इट इज नथिंग बट दी प्लांट कॅपॅसिटी फॅक्टर. वी कॅन से दॅट इट इज नथिंग बट दी प्लांट कॅपॅसिटी फॅक्टर. Everybody got this one? What is it? Is the simple ratio of two quantity. Which are that two quantity? Actual energy produced to the maximum possible energy that could have been produced. Actual energy produced divided by maximum possible energy that could have been produced. Everybody got this one? Actual energy produced to the maximum possible energy that could have been produced. म्हणजे जर suppose if one station is there which is located near to our Pandharpur, and we are thinking that it is going to produce 30 megawatt maximum energy. Okay, but due to some circumstances, it may be what I can say, repairing of that particular station, or due to the less availability of what you can say workers. Okay, they have produced only 15 megawatt. We have decided it will produce 30 megawatt maximum, but due to some problem they have produced 15. Means how much actual they have produced? 15, but what we thought that it is 30. So 15 divided by 30, whenever we will take the ratio of this, that is nothing but the plant capacity factor. Got it everyone? सगळ्यांना कळलंय का प्लांट कॅपॅसिटी फॅक्टर? व्हेरी सिंपल वन. लक्षात घ्या, हे तुम्हाला कशासाठी सांगतोय? व्हाय आय एम गोइंग टू टेल यू, बिकॉज ऑन दिस वन पॉइंट देयर इज वन एमसीक्यू. ओके, प्लांट कॅपॅसिटी फॅक्टर ही एक डेफिनेशन धरली तर त्याच्यावर एक एमसीक्यू तयार होतोय. And we will require this particular formula for solving the simple numericals based on this particular point. आपल्याला काय आहे, हे सिंपल न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करायला आपल्याला हे फॉर्म्युले लागणार आहे. गॉट इट एव्हरीवन? ओके, सो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट वी विल सी, that is plant use factor. आपण first of all what we have seen, plant capacity factor. Now we have seen plant use factor. So what is that plant use factor? See, it is the ratio of just a minute, I will just shift here. It is the ratio of kilowatt hours generated. Kilowatt hours generated म्हणजेच काय, त्याचं मीनिंग काय? त्याचंच मीनिंग आहे की actual energy produced. Okay, it is nothing but it is the ratio of kilowatt hour generated or actual energy produced to the product of कशाचा प्रोडक्ट आहे? प्लांट कॅपॅसिटी into number of hours for which plant was in operation. Okay, see, plant use factor, त्याच्या नावातच त्याची डेफिनेशन आहे, प्लांट किती वेळेस यूज झाला. So how we are going to find out? See, it is the ratio of actual energy produced, that actual energy produced in the kilowatt hours. Okay, so how much actual energy produced divided by त्या प्लांटची कॅपॅसिटी किती होती आणि तो किती अवर्स मध्ये तो प्लांट ऍक्च्युअल कंडिशन मध्ये होता, याचा जर रेशो घेतला, then it will be nothing but the plant use factor. Whenever I will take the ratio of actual energy produced in that particular plant divided by capacity of that particular plant into for how many hours that plant is working condition, that is nothing but the plant use factor. For which period of time that plant is used, that is given by this factor, which is nothing but the plant use factor. Okay, don't confuse between plant capacity factor and plant use factor. Plant capacity factor is different and plant use factor is different. Plant capacity factor is actual energy produced divided by maximum demand that we should produce, or we should think that it is going to be produced. And then plant use factor is nothing but the actual energy produced divided by the plant capacity of that particular power station into the time for which that particular power station or that particular plant is working, that is nothing but the plant use factor. That is nothing but the plant use factor. Okay, everybody got this one? Like a plant use factor. What is the difference between plant capacity factor and plant use factor? Okay, so see, in the today's lecture, we have covered almost very important point that I will revise it again. First, load duration curve. What is the load duration curve? The curve which is plotted from the load curve by taking the reference of, first of all, we have plotted the maximum demand and then we have gone through the descending order. This is nothing but the load duration curve. Then diversity factor. Diversity factor, it is the ratio of sum of the individuals maximum demand divided by maximum demand on that particular power station. Diversity factor, it is always greater than 1. Okay, next, load factor, it is the ratio of two quantity, average load to the maximum load for a given period of time. And another one important definition we have seen to the load factor is that number of units generated in a given time period divided by maximum demand into given time period. This is the load factor, which is always less than unity. Then we have seen plant capacity factor. It is the ratio of actual energy produced to the maximum possible energy that could have been produced, जी काय होऊ शकत होती. Okay, and the fourth, that is nothing but the plant use factor. Which is that plant use factor? It is nothing but the ratio of actual energy produced divided by plant capacity into the time for which that particular power plant is in working condition. So these are the important factors which we have studied, and we require these important factors whenever we are going to solve the numericals. Okay, या पर्टिक्युलर पॉइंट्स वर छोटे छोटे न्यूमरिकल्स येतात जे की लगेच सुटतात, पण these are the very important that we will study maybe in next lecture or at the end of chapter. I will cover all numericals. Everybody got what we have seen? सगळ्यांना कळलेलं आहे का आपण काय शिकलेलो आहे ते?